got the first call of the new year. The big glycol chiller at the brewery is down. Let's get over there. It's New Year's Day, about 2:30 in the afternoon. So went and rode the motorcycle. I'll have a video up from that. And now we'll get a video for this glycol chiller. Let's get over there. It's a super short drive. It's close to the house here. And we can go take a look at this thing. Ooh, check her out. What? Is that the fastback Mustang? Holy Toledo, that's nice. Don't get too close, NorCal Dave. They might get pissed. Look at that thing. Sweet. Like a Steve McQueen style. Look at that thing. That thing that's a beaut. All right, let's see what's going on. Disconnect is off. This is the chiller. She's an old timer. Look at this thing. Oldie but a goodie. She's an oldie but a goodie. There's controls. Old school. My circ pump is back there. Okay. So I should go circ pump and then. This fan cycling. No head protection, but it's got fan cycling. It's got low pressure. Just taking a look at this thing. There's not much to it. I don't think. Yeah. Not much to it. Condenser's not too bad. No, yes. Yes, no. Yes. Warming up.
Insurance.
Go like this and everybody can see it. I think it zeroes to the background and then you pull it away. Woo!
It's like the wind blowing around. Crazy.
Let me try this other mode here. Auto zero mode. Here we go. That mode would probably leave you hanging. Bring it over here and zero it. Hold on. Definitely like on that bottom, huh? All right, let's get the soap. Let's get the soapy bubbles going. Cool. There's nothing leaking right here, but right around the corner here is a massive leak that you could hear. Now let's get the sump levels on there. Oh, gusher. Right there. Right down there. There it is, gusher.
Feel it.
Let me get that cleaned up quick. I couldn't film a bunch because the customer was right there. So I was picking up a detection with the leak detector where it looked oily on that suction line. But it was weird because it didn't show any bubbles. But I could hear a leak, and I found it where the liquid line went into the heat exchanger. There's a liquid line heat exchanger right there. And I got that brazed up, changed the dryer sight glass combo, and I did flow a bunch of more solder on that suction line joints. And she held pressure, and she pulled a good vacuum. Now we're recharged and we're back up and running. And we're gonna save the Pilsner so the Pilsner doesn't overheat. So that's the first call of 2021. Okay, what's the joke? 2020 turned 21, now I can drink. Have you guys heard that joke? All right, everybody, smash that like button. Hit the subscribe. If you want, hit the bell, get notifications when I post up videos. And let's hope 2021 turns out better than 2020, huh? Gorgeous day today. Look at this. Guy's gonna drive off of this drill up there. Come on, NorCal Dave, get it together. Get your head in the game. Now, I guess you caught it without driving off, so that's pretty good. That would have been a $100 bucker down the tubes right there.